Hello there, hungry friends. Today we are going to make juicy flavored steamed dumplings with spicy dipping sauce. Dumplings may be prepared using a variety of methods, including baking, boiling, frying, simmering or steaming, and are found in many world cuisines. Steaming is a much faster method as you only need to bring a few cups of water to a boil instead of an entire pot. For this recipe you'll need the following. 1 pound or 500 grams of 50/50 pork beef, ground meat, 3 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of soy sauce, 4 teaspoons or 20 milliliters of sesame oil, 1 ounce or 20 grams of ginger root, 1 Chinese cabbage, 1 green onion, 1 garlic, 1 white onion and chili peppers, a bunch of mushrooms and 4 cups or 500 grams of white wheat flour. Now, let's start cooking. Take a finger-sized ginger root and start peeling it with a knife or a spoon. Next, peel 3 garlic cloves. Grate both the garlic and the ginger root, then add them to the bowl. Now add 3 chopped mushrooms and half an onion. After that, remove the outer leaves of a Chinese cabbage. Cut around 5 centimeters from the head of the cabbage and discard, then start chopping about a third of its body, roughly around 10 ounces or 300 grams. Add 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of sesame oil and start mixing using your hands. When you're done, use a plastic foil and then let it sit in the fridge at least half an hour. You can even let it sit overnight, the dumplings would get a more flavored taste. Now let's make the dumplings dough. Add 4 cups or 500 grams of white wheat flour. Generously add salt. 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of oil. 1 cup or 200 milliliters of warm water and then start mixing the ingredients. Add more water when needed. Now begin kneading for about 5 minutes or until it comes together. Then wrap the dough in plastic foil and let it rest for at least half an hour at room temperature. Now that the dough is ready, spread flour on the countertop, so it won't stick, then portion it in 4 equal parts. After that, cut each part in 4 smaller pieces and using a roller pin, shape them into a thin round circles. You can also use a pasta roller to get the dough nice and thin. Take a dough round circle, add 1 tablespoon of meat mixture, then pack it as shown in our video. Dip your fingers in warm water if the edges don't stick to each other. Use 2 skewers or chopsticks to seal the dumplings. Before placing the dumplings in the strainer pot, add a few cabbage leaves to the bottom of the pot. This will prevent the dumplings from sticking. Now add some water, and then cover with a lid and let them steam until gold brownish. Almost every dumplings recipe comes with a dipping sauce. This sauce is so simple and flexible, so let's get started. Finely chop a ginger root. One green onion, then add them to your small dipping bowl. (10 milliliters of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, or 30 milliliters of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of rice oil. Last but not least, cut a whole green chili pepper, add it to your sauce, and then stir for a couple of times. You can customize this sauce according to your preferences by adding more or less of its ingredients. Also, you can boil the dumplings and fry the leftovers the next day. We hope you're excited to give this recipe a try. Be sure to report back and let us know how much you loved it. Until next time, be good, be happy, and eat delicious food. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. See you later, hungry friends.